Hello my people, welcome back to our another video. This is your Preet. Guys, in this video we will learn how you can create a mobile friendly website in WordPress. So in this tutorial I will recommend you some themes. So let me go ahead to the appearance, click on themes. First of all, we have to choose theme to build a website. If you are looking to build a high-speed website, you can go with the WordPress theme. It's easy to build website in with blog editor Gutenberg. You can create a high quality website and also mobile friendly website with the WordPress. Or if you already have a Elementor templates, then you can go with Elementor. It's also good. There are some other themes like Astra. If you click on add new theme, there are some popular themes like Astra, WordPress, and Cadence, Ocean WP, and Bloxy. There are nice collection of themes. So let's choose WordPress theme for in this tutorial. After you click install WordPress theme, click activate. After you activated this WordPress theme, we have to install one or two plugin which help us to get nice pre-built widget when we create our website homepage. Then those will help us to just drag and drop elements to build a website. So let me go ahead to plugins, click add new plugin. First plugin we need here, generate blocks. You have to search generate blocks and you will find this plugin. Click install now and activate right away. Okay, so here this will be our dashboard. We can skip this one. Now let's start creating our home page, and we will make sure our home page should be mobile friendly. So let me go to pages, click on add new page. When we create our page, you have to keep in mind, first you have to check if you want a sidebar in the website, in the right sidebar or left sidebar. Then you have to go to pages section in the right sidebar nearby blocks. If you did not get this setting, click on upper side here, setting, and go to page and look for layout. You can choose here if you want sidebar or no sidebar. You can go with no sidebar, and downside you have a content container if you want a full width, build a full width website or contained website. Okay, let me choose full width, and for this title, this will be our home page. I don't want to show this home title in the front page, so I will click here disable element. Now I will direct just to publish. Okay, so now let's start refresh the page. Now we will start building our website. So here you will find a new option here, generate blocks. You can click generate blocks, open pattern library, where you have a library where you have a pre-built stuff. If you need a heading or feature section, FAQ, pricing, you will have pre-built stuff here. So let me pick any option here. Let me go with the banner, with the paragraph, or with the heading. So let me scroll down to the end, and I will find this feature F2, feature F16 stuff. So let me go ahead to feature F16, click on insert, and this will insert on our home page, where we can simply add the image on the left side, and then we have to change our tagline and the heading and the paragraph. Anything you want to change, just click with the mouse, double click, it will be highlighted, and start typing. Welcome to my website, like that, and provide the title of website. Make sure you provide nice title about your website. Your website is about like digital In the tagline, let me provide my website name, Tech Ideas. Welcome to digital marketing agency, and provide the description downside. Okay, let me copy from my website something. Okay, just to show you, let me copy any just paragraph, so I will paste here. Okay, now let me click on the image side here. Let me upload image by clicking here, replace the image, open media library, and let me choose any image just to show you. Let me open this image. Okay, now we have an image. You also can adjust this image. Okay, just click on it and cancel the generate blocks in the right side. Go to block section now. In the block section, you have a full size, width, height. You can adjust the length. For example, height, let me go with 200, like height 400, the width should be 400, like that. You can adjust the size. Okay. Let me click upper side to make it align center. Yeah, perfect. Now let me save. I have already saved. Now let me show you how to make it mobile friendly. So I will click on here, views section, view, click on mobile. Now we are seeing our mobile version of our website homepage, where first of all you have to check if everything in align. Example, this button, I want to make it center, so you can go to layout, make it align to center. Okay, then you have a title here, upper side, go to align text section, align text center. You can align to center for the mobile units, and the image will take place automatically. But if you need more, optimize this image, just click on it, and now you can provide the different value for the mobile if you want to make it little bigger. Okay, this way you can check if your website is mobile friendly and everything in align. So don't give extra space in any element. For example, if I have this image, so instead of this image, if I have image which have only small content inside, but rest of that has background, that cause slow our website when we check our website in here in Google page speed inside. Okay, let me scroll down, and you will see here a wide large layout shift, right? If I click here, and it's saying that this layout has large layout shift that has less content and more width or more height. So we have to adjust this one in mobile version. So for example, in this layout, okay, if I wanna click whole element here, to click whole element, just click anywhere and click this select parent block, first one, click on it. And if I give the background, so I will go to right side and look for example, in the upper side I have extra space here, where because I will add a header later on, so this space is very genuine. If I'm building website and have extra space, for example, let me give any space here. For example, here there is a space, so I have to control this one to avoid large shift layout. So I will go to right section in the block. I will check for if there is a value in the spacing or padding, like margin. Okay, if I remove this value like 4 in the bottom, so this is the value we have added. So I have to give very minimum. If I delete this 4, and you will find out there will no any space like that, okay. I don't wanna any extra layout. If I click the main element by clicking select container, and you have some settings like in the padding, just to provide only one value, 1 and it will, and you will see it will avoid the large layout. Earlier we have extra space here. If I put 7 or 22, and you will find out now it has wide layout, which cause slow down our website. So instead in the padding, so make sure the padding you provide is very minimum, like 1 or 2 value. Okay, if I provide only 1, and this is very minimal. Okay, this way it will optimize your mobile friendly homepage. Okay, now let me go back to our desktop. Now I want to add some more stuff here. In the desktop you can also see there is a extra space. So I will click on parent. You can also check in Elementor if there is a value in padding or in margin. So you can adjust to keep it very minimal. Let me click on container, and right side scroll down, you will see again this value 7, because now we open the mobile the desktop version. So I have to again click on delete. Instead of 7 I will put 1, and now you see there is a very minimum, and it looks nice in the align. It's very aligned. So now this way you have to keep in mind to avoid large layout shift to improve your mobile friendly theme. So if you're going to add more stuff, you can add by clicking here toggle block inserter. You can keep add your block in the from the generate place. We have a container, query loop, grid. If you wanna make you can just drag it here, and you can choose how many element you need, like if you want to display similar to this one image and a text, and we need only 2 element. If you wanna single, go with single, click on single. Now what you wanna write here, for example button, just to drag button above it. Okay, let me delete this one. Okay, now let me click inside it, and now let me choose heading, for example this heading. Our services, make sure you align it perfectly. If you click the heading, and every time you will see align text option, align text center. Okay, now I need to give little space because it's very close to the button. So let me click on our service, and I will click in the first select parent block, and now I will check in the block setting, scroll down. Now I will give little bit padding or margin, so the button is very close, it will be little far. So I will add value in the padding or in the margin. For example, in the margin I put value 11 or 22, and you will see the changes right away. Don't put just a value if you don't require. Okay, just only put any margin or padding if you need it, if you require this one. Okay, let me add some more stuff. Let me open the generate block library, open pattern library. Now let's example, I will add FAQ questions. Example this one, FAQ F10. Let me insert. Now I have a insert FAQ question. Now let's check our mobile layout, if our mobile layout still optimized. Let me click on view mobile and you can see it's already optimized here. Okay, because the generate blocks already optimized for the mobile unit. For example, now there is a little more space. Just you have to check this one. Just only click on select container or parent block and go to block section in the right side. Scroll down, check value. You can see there is a again value padding in the padding 4. In the bottom there is a 4 value in the bottom. Yeah, here it is. After the button you see this value. You can see my mouse. We need to avoid this one. So instead of 4 I will put 2. Okay, now you will see there is a minimal. Yeah, very minimal. Because when you creating the mobile theme or adjusting you doing adjustment in the mobile layout, so you always make sure each element or block are very close, not very far. Okay, so we avoid large layout shift that cause slow down your home page. Okay, now you can again switch to desktop. You can check if everything looks good. You can start customizing it now. Okay, every time you put any new block from the pattern library or from the toggle here, any element, so make sure always do proper research on padding or margin if there are extra margin. But if you put anything from here, from the blocks, example I put this image under the button, I just drag it under the button just to show you. Okay, for example this image. Now I will let me choose other image. Okay, this image is very closer to button. Now I need to put margin or padding. So let me click on image. If I click mobile version to check image, it looks good. We don't need any changes, but yeah, we need some space after the button right here also. So now for the keep it mobile, in the mobile version, just click on the image, go to cancel it, go to block section again, scroll down to the spacing option. Now you can give some margin like 22 in the bottom. You can keep it very less, like 5 or 10, like that. If you need little bit more, just change margin like 25. Okay, now it's very enough. Now if I go back to desktop, now I have to again put value for the desktop. Okay, because every time you put value for the mobile and for the desktop, there is a different value always. You need to put it again. So now this is, I have opened desktop version. So let me click on image. Now go to margin. Let me put margin again for the desktop 22. Bottom I will keep only 5. You can see here, very adjustable. And now we have little space, but if you want to give more space, you can try out with padding. You can put value in the padding like 22. Okay, let me make it center for the image. Click on image, go to upper section to make it align center. Now like that. Now if you open again for the mobile, and we already put value, it will not miss, it will be there. So you have to keep in mind to keep it align your heading, your paragraph, align text center. Okay, okay, you can leave it. If FAQ any element looks good, you can leave it, but just only keep in mind for the to avoid extra padding or margin in the pre-build blocks. For example, pattern library is pre-built. These all are optimized, but you have to check if you need to reduce any size or extra space, then you can change it. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you have any question, you can just let me know. I will reply you there. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate.